So I noticed you received the cold press, the colon cleanse, the Bizivera, the Noni, and the blood pressure normalizer tea. Talk to me. What has been your experience?
Okay, my experience has been a good experience thus far from taking, especially the Noni Detox. I haven't done the colon cleanse as much as I should because of my working and going outside. But I noticed the Noni Detox and the Bizavera and the oil and the tea. I noticed there is more. It's like a refining going on inside of my body. I feel better. I feel cleansed. I feel more energy. I could do things that I usually, when I come home from work, even in the evening time, I would be so tired and stuff. I come home and it's like I get a second wind to do what I need to do. A matter of fact, I just gave my friend some of the Nuni Detox. I gave her a spoon of it. I mean, I don't have enough left. She just takes some and lay down on my sofa and say she feeling this tingling going on in her. That she feel better already. And she feel like something that's working. I said maybe the AC is too cold for you. She go, no, she could feel that is something internal going on working inside of her. So I gave her some of
Uh-huh.
the Nuni Detox. So it's not even a shot good I have left. So I'm calling to get my big bottle now. Because I really feel what's going on and
Uh-huh.
I want more of it.
The blood purifier, you didn't get that.
I didn't get the blood purifier yet. And
Eh,
also I was watching and we need I let her watch the video and she was so excited about it. She said she want the Never Tired.
Yes,
Yes, and the Noni Detox.
yes. Well, let me tell
Yes.
you, if you think the noni detox is bad, let me tell you.
Mm,
When I took the blood purifier, all the fat that was on my face, because as the healer explained to me, the cells has fat in them. The blood purifier
right.
get rid of the fat. You see, my body has totally transformed everything. And I'm in the third phase of my development. I'm in the building phase. You're in the cleaning phase still. So you have to
Okay.
have, you started with a small noni detox, which is fine. Now we're going to get you
Right.
another 8 ounce, and then we're going to get you the 8 ounce of blood. You have to combine those two now. You see.
Okay.
So then you kind of complete the starter kit as far as liquids. We have a super clean, which is 3 different cleansing system. So
Right.
we're all about cleaning first. So you're getting the first round. We'll take care of that another time. But the body
Right.
cleanse, the colon cleanse, you should not worry too much. If you take 4 ounces on the weekend, you're fine. You don't have to worry
Okay.
about.
Okay, good.
And this colon cleanse is when you take your time and rotate it. It's not as aggressive as the 2 capsules of the body cleanse. Let me tell you. So our cleaning
Okay.
system is amazing. The Noni Detox, I'm glad. How was the
Hmm.
blood pressure normalizer?
That one is good too. I drink it. I take my tea, so I drink it, and my pressure has been good.
It's been good.
Yeah.
So you had
And I was watching you making that power punch.
the watercress extract because this is how we're going to bill you.
That too. That.
Let
Oh
me tell
yes,
you, this
yes,
is
yes,
why
yes.
if you don't have to spend your money on pizza, save your money.
I don't like pizza.
This is the first time we're having the water extract with the breadfruit extract, with the stinking toe, with the slippery elm, with
Yes.
the never tired, with the cold pressed coconut oil, with a
Yeah.
teaspoon of the coffee. You see?
Oh,
Let me
I
tell you
take the
something.
cold pressed coconut oil, but you know what? My house is so cold. So
It
every
frees
time I
it.
want it, I have to put it in, run some hot water over it
Really?
to drink. Yeah, and then it just thawed, and then I drink my spoonful of it in the morning and in the evening. So I'm almost out of that too. So I'm
So
gonna
how you
need,
feeling when you drink? How you feeling?
you hear me talk, man.
So now let me ask you. So
I feel better.
things move through you, right?
Yes, yes, yes. And I'm sleeping better in the nighttime now. I'm sleeping, man, I'm sleeping better in the nighttime since I started taking them. It's a good thing.
Let me ask you. So
And I'm,
when you went to church for your congregation, do they see a difference with you?
oh, yes. But I'm mostly because I deal with a lot of females at my
Hmm.
workplace because I own a salon.
Hmm.
So I'm telling them about it and giving them the video and tell them to watch it and check it out and just go on the website. I think
Sign the
someone
waiting
said they
list.
went on your waiting list or something like that.
Yeah, I saw them. This is good. You see, we need this feedback because no, you are truly a Jamaica Health Boxian. You are no a journey. No, you
Listen, I need my punch because I'm like, most of the times I don't start eating early in the morning time, so like I could drink my shake,
yes, yes, yes.
and that's good for me, and especially the Irishman. Oh my God,
Oh,
I see you
I,
mixing that thing, and I'm just jealous of it. I'm like, no,
so you're gonna get the good life. You have to save up because let me tell you, you need the big
uh-huh,
buckle of the Copras coconut. You need the because I want everybody to make it themselves. Okay, because
hmm.
you can't. I can't ship it. You see, you have to make it yourself. We have the stinking toe in
Oh
in.
no, I just want my package. I'll make my own drink.
Yes, yes, I got you. And you can
Yeah.
put ginger and peanut, whatever you like in it. Because when you drink that, sometimes for the whole
Uh-huh.
day you say to yourself, I'm good because it's pure nutrients going to the body. No sugar. No sugar.
Right,
None.
right.
As a matter of fact, you can even dip a little Noni Detox in it and you're not going to be
Yeah.
gassy. You see, so then you're going to dip a little turmeric in it. So you get the spirulina, the turmeric, and then
Hmm.
now you take a little moringa capsule and put it in it. Mister, when you talk about power,
Hmm.
no, no normal. There's nothing can harm you after that.
Oh my God.
Because the
I was
war
watching and I was showing my friend the video that you were playing. I'm gonna let you talk to her. I'm gonna let her talk to you
respect.
so she could tell you what she want and then maybe give you her address and stuff. You're
Yeah.
in Jamaica?
I'm in Jamaica
Are
now,
you?
yes.
Oh man. So you have someone over here to ship the
No, no,
shipping and
man.
stuff?
Everything good, man. We set up everything good. You don't have to worry.
Okay. Okay,
Because
cool. Cause she need it ASAP.
the liquids we have in this state,
Okay,
um,
good.
then let me stop this. The liquid we have in the States, we could ship off what we have and then
Hmm.
piggyback later so she could start her process,